Welcome to the official video Zoe for Unity documentation, where you will learn how to use the plugin Zoe for Unity to create VR experience. We assume that you already have the Unity Hub installed on your computer. If not, you can head over unity.com and download the Unity Hub. That's step one. Currently, we have the Zoe for Unity plugin version 3.0, which is compatible with the Unity version 2022 3.10 F1. We also support other versions of Unity and we'll update the list of versions on our documentation. We are going to open the website unity.com/release/editor/archive and we are going to look for the correct version. So we want 2022 and we are going to look for the 3.10. So we are going to install that one. So I'm just going to click on the Unity Hub. Yes, I want to open the Unity Hub. Sorry, it's in French. And now I can see the correct version, 2022.3.10 F1 LTS for long-term support. What we want to install at least. So by default, I will have the Windows build, let's say. It asks me if I want to install this module, Microsoft Visual Studio. Actually, I already have Visual Studio Code that's connected to Unity, so I don't need to install it again. We are mostly going to use an Oculus Quest 1, 2, or 3 for this series of tutorial. And as Oculus is powered by Android, we need to add the Android build support because we want to create a version of our VR app, a build using the APK Android Package Kit that is compatible with the Oculus platform. So we have to choose this Android build support. Then if you scroll, you have other option if you want to be able to create a build for Mac, for example, or iOS, Linux, or even WebGL. But for now, we are going to stick with the basic one and Android one. You can also add language if you need, like Japanese, Korean, or Chinese. But for now, we are going to stick to English. I'm going to press continue. You have to accept the terms for the Android SDK. So you can take the time to read this. I agree, and I click install. Okay, now that our installation is complete, we are going to close this and we are going to go to project. We are going to create a new project. And here we are going to double check that we are in the correct Unity version that we need for Zoe. So I'm going to open quickly here, but you can see that we are on the 22 3.10 F1 LTS version. So we are on the correct version. We want to create a 3D project core. So you are going to choose 3D core. Then we are going to give a name to that project. So I'm going to call it my first VR app. And I'm going to choose a location. Now I'm going to click create project. Et voilà! Congratulations, you just installed the correct version of Unity to use the Zoe plugin for Unity. In the next video, we are going to see how to download and install the actual plugin.